is Abbie, and I first met, or I guess heard of Marcy on the New Earth Summit just like 5 weeks ago. It's super recent, and when I heard her speak, it was just like I was magnetized to her energy, to the way she talked was with so much freedom and liberation, and so it was like, okay, I need to know more about this woman. And I started reading her book, and her book like lit me up in this hope of like freeing this victim mentality that I feel like I've wrestled with for years. And so I started just learning more about her, and when I went to her website, I happened to find out that she was having a retreat in my backyard. And just like reading through the whole website, everything was just like speaking to my soul. It sounded so nourishing and supportive, and yeah, like being in the space with Marcy is like, I don't even know how to. It's one of the most impactful and amazing things I've ever done in my life. The way she holds space is like with such beautiful presence. Like she sees everyone. She like just reflects so much love and compassion and understanding, and it's like you never feel judged, you just feel seen. And the way she holds retreat space, I've been to a lot of retreats in the last 3 years, and I've never felt so supported and loved, like, and nourished, like all of it. It's really just been such an amazing experience. I feel like a big part of my intention in coming here was really to not lose, but I guess love this victim in me and transform it. And I really felt like through everything that I'd heard Marcy say on her podcast and in her book, that like she had what it was that I needed to shift this. And that absolutely happened, and I always felt like completely supported in that, and like in every day, like just going through these amazing experiences, and it was always just so much support, like, let's talk about it, what needs to be spoken, what doesn't feel complete. Like there was just always so much support, and I feel like I'm leaving with everything. Like I almost feel like there's so much I don't even know what to do with it right now, but I know that, like, yeah, what I experienced here was transformational, and my life is completely changed for sure. Yeah, I would say having this space where I have felt so supported and safe and held. Like I don't trust people super easily, and so like I think finding a person that was able to create this container that was so safe and supportive was like, anything can happen. Like your intentions can absolutely manifest, and you can work through whatever it is, and Marcy will be right there with you the whole time, like holding your hand if necessary, or like just breathing with you and like supporting you the entire way, because she's this superhuman that knows how to do it.